First we determine the variable, the height of the triangle. You will see what it does later. Now we want to scroll to 10. Run the program to see the result. We see that scroll from 0 to 9. But because we went from 1 to 10, we do this. That's true. Scroll from 1 to 10. Now we want to replace the number with star. In Python, this means repeating that character. You know that in order for a triangle to look right, the number of triangles must be odd. That's why we turn the steps into 2. So far so good. But this asterisk must be in the middle to form a triangle. So we have to bring this asterisk in the middle. And this is our beautiful triangle. Let's change this variable to resize our triangle. The last line of the triangle is the number of n. But another interesting thing, we make the user determine the size of the triangle. Now, enter the length of the triangle.